Enough wet daydreaming. Time to be the nightmare of all catfishes.
And now, it's time for Fishing Fails with Derail. Now here's your host, Derail.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Now sit down, shut the fuck up. Now today, I'm going to be reading y'all a story. So sit down, shut up, listen. 'Twas the night nowhere near Christmas when Derail set out to go fishing and fell with a scream and a shout.
So, some of the guys, they like to call me Derail Haskins, because somehow I always derail the plan, you know, and mess up. And I suppose this could be example number 9. How do you nest an open face reel? Stay tuned to Fishing Fails with Derail. Seriously though, this is a freaking great way to literally knot this and then lose all of this line. Because as you twist it off, as I'm sure most of you guys actually know, it's twisted off. This little tag likes to twist around the line. Oh, there we go. Fishing Redemptions with Derail. Punchline Sinker. I'm back, baby! Woo! New development. Tried to reel my shit in and we got her stuck. Like literally, what, 5-6 feet offshore? Just stuck, buried. And look, I'm in here trying to get this damn thing. Tried yanking it on both sides. I'm just failing. It's I just hope this isn't a skunky kind of day, man. It stinks.
Was Derail's future foreshadowed? Was life being rude? Will Derail do more than just drown wormy dudes?
You know what? Instead of just casting straight out, I'm gonna start casting that way. Give me a little bit more time. My buddy's still alive on there? I mean, yeah, no, I think he's reached his limit of G-forces for one. No. Yep, he did. He flew off. Landed right there. And that there has been Fishing Fails with Derail Haskins. Time to bait up. First yeet didn't work out. I didn't do a really good job on it anyway. So, redemption right here. Whatever. Yeet attempt number 2, slingshot. Yep. That was almost a Fishing Fail. Target locked on and ready. Slingshot engaged.
Going for lunkers makes time go by fast. But sometimes that means Derail can't cast.
What's up, guys? Out here? Chat a bit.
We're gonna try some castaroonies. Y'all didn't see that? Oh yeah, got me a bass.
On what?
Texas rig.
Nice.
Check her out, fellers. All right, starting the day off right. Oh shit! Oh no, starting it off wrong. Starting it off wrong. All right, back to right. Derail, never fails. He got one, rock bass.
Damn it, it's falling again. Oh, nice.
Nice.
You want me to keep her for you? You can cook her, or you want me to throw them back?
It's a crop. There's only one.
That's a crappie. It looks like a rock bass.
No, it looks like a crappie to me.
Hold on, my brightness isn't up. Okay, yeah, I stand corrected.
I'm about to throw her back.
All right, yeah, I think
First cast, man. First cast.
First fish is fish. Good job. Nice, Manny. What'd you
All
get?
right, I got the first, the biggest, and the most right now.
Yeah, I know.
3 weeks later.
It's on.
Oh,
Lights on.
immediately released too early. That's what she said.
Ah, shit. Here we go again.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Shoot. Shoot. Oh man. Well, back to you in the studio.
Back in from out yon, but I can't help you, dude. 'Cause the person you're fighting happens to be you.
Derail. Round 1. Fight. Oh. You gotta clean it every fucking time. Okay. Round 2. Think you have to fight through that Oh, just added more. Round 4.
Where did you learn to count?
Round 3. Final round. Ooh. And stuck in the weeds. Flawless victory.
Bonus area. Suck.
Bonus area. Wah, 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 wah.
Mission failed.
Just like every other bonus area.
Attempting to multitask is hard for Derail, but getting him to walk and breathe at the same time brings on an asthma fail.
Working on it. Thank you, Boo Bear.
Over here to the right, it clears up.
Friends like him. Who needs social interaction? Not I, says the fly. Should have probably put that back right there. Instead, I'm off in the cut with pricker bushes everywhere I turn. Needed protective gear. Cue a montage of all the times I said ow. Ow! Ow, shit. Ow. Shit. Ow. Shit. Ow. Ow. Shit. I'm fine. Oh, God. I broke my tibia. It's a flangular break. I'm back here breaking flangules. We're going on an asthma-ridden adventure. Come on. Come on. Ow. Pricker. 5-minute break. Word from our sponsors. Sponsor break's over. Looks like we didn't get no sponsors this week. But you can help us change that. Go to youtube.com/punchlinesink and comment on any of our videos if you'd love to be a sponsor.
Send us stuff or money.
Or emails or something. And just a hi would be all right.
Yeah, just a hello.
And then money. And then send us stuff. Someone's going to send us an old sock. Sponsor log. And now a word from our sponsors.
Very here the number maybe. Oh, whoops. Can't read upside down. Much better. Without a pole in the water, Derail still managed to fail. What was he to do when the boys set sail?
Bro, stop recording.
Why, bro? What's wrong?
Bro, it's after Christmas. It's not even New Year's anymore. We're practically in the middle of January.
I mean, I know the video's a little late, but I still wanted to finish it.
That'll do. That'll do, Pig.
How do you can't have the name? But don't have the name calling.